Hello, good morning everyone. And in the previous class, I have discussed the dictionaries, and the next one is the methods, operations on them, accessing values, updating, deleting values on dictionaries. Now, in this session, I am going to discuss the methods, remaining methods in the dictionary. So, the today first one method is the items method. This method returns a list of dictionary key and value tuple pairs. The syntax is dictionary dot items and it has no parameters, and return value is a list of tuple of pairs. So consider the following program: dictionary name is Jara and age is 7, and a print value, that means the value. Here I'm printing the value the called after I'm printing the value onto the output screen, and next I'm calling the value dictionary dot items. So as soon as I call the method dictionary dot items, I get the following output: tuple of age 7 and name is Jara. Next one is dictionary dot keys method. This keys method returns a list of all the available keys in the dictionary, and the syntax is the dictionary dot keys. So here this method has no parameters, and this method returns a list of all the available keys in the dictionary. Next example, consider the following example: dictionary is equal to name Jara age 7, and print value here list of keys, dictionary dot keys, that means only keys here print in the keys, that is the values are age and name are the two keys we are using in the dictionary. And next method is the default method. This method is similar to the get method with, but will dictionary of key default dictionary dot key is equal default if the key is not already in dictionary. The following syntax is dictionary dot set default of key comma dictionary is equal default is equal to none. The parameters are key specified. This is the key to be searched, default value to be returned in the case a key is not found. So this method returns the key value available in dictionary, and if given key is not available, then it will return provided default value. So consider the following program. I have the dictionary and it has the values called name Jara A7. Then I am calling the method dictionary the set default of age comma none. That means I am printing the value age comma none. That means the value is age comma none. And next I am printing the second value, that is the gender value gender comma none, and then printing the entire dictionary. So the value for the age is 7, and the value for the gender is 0. Why? Because there is no gender value in the dictionary, that's why the value printed as none. If the is present in the dictionary, then corresponding item will be displayed on the output screen. If the value is not available in the dictionary, then none will be printed on the output screen as a value. Then the entire dictionary, that is name Jara, and gender none, and age is 7, printed onto the output screen. Next this method asks the dictionary to value key value pair into the dictionary. So this function does not return anything. And the following is entire dictionary dot update of dictionary 2, and it has parameters dictionary 2. This is the dictionary to be added into the dictionary. If the return value does not return any value, and so the program contain the program dictionary is equal name Jara A7, and the next one is the adding the another value, that is the gender is male, and just printing the value onto the output screen. So as soon as we updating, that means we are adding another value. As soon as I add another value to the dictionary, the entire dictionary value displayed as follows. And the next method is the dictionary values method. So this method returns a list of the values available in the given dictionary. The syntax is the dictionary dot values. It has no parameters. Value method has no parameters, and the return type is returns a list of the values available in the given dictionary. An example is I have the dictionary which has the gender female, age is 7, name is Jara, and the print values, that means I am printing the list of dictionary values. I am printing all the values in a single dictionary. That means gender is female, and age is 7, and name is Jara. This is something about the dictionary values method. So in the next class, this is something about the, so this is the entire concept of the Python dictionary. So in the next class I shall discuss the date and time in Python. How is the date and time in Python, methods and operations, and how we access values in next class. So for this, please subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech, and tell your friends and everyone. Please like my channel and share my videos on the social networking sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever you want. You can share my videos. and tell everyone to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you and all. Have a nice day.